I'm just gonna say to Carlo Orencia, when I talk with Kuya Ver, please do not even say kill Jesus. Would you ever force me to kill Jesus? You know, Carlo Orencia, you ruined my trip when I was in Japan in Fukuoka. You know, Carlo, don't even say that to Jesus. You know, like me, I'm just gonna say to everyone, do you want to be like those people who wants to say you want to destroy Jesus? Some of Israelis have want to destroy Jesus. It's a backlash for the Christian community. You know, Carlo Orencia, do not force me to kill Jesus. If you force me to kill Jesus, you will be happen to you will be happen to Paulo Cruzada. You will be happy to Gina Sejo at Jeffrey Sejo at Jim Macasandil. Remember that, Carlo. What you are doing, it's not really good. I advise to you, Carlo Orencia, Jesus was already crucified. I've been talks with that with Kuya Bear. I said, Jesus was already dead. He's already crucified. Why did you even say, oh, that you want force me to kill Jesus? Carlo Orencia. You know, Carlo Orencia, you show a little respect to all religion. That's why Shania Kiana break up with you, because I know she's a born again Christian. Because I know this is really hurt to Jesus. If I were you, Carlo Orencia, don't be such barbaric. That's a blasphemy. You will be happen like Pura Luca Vega, who created blasphemy towards Jesus. And now you see Pura Luca Vega had apologized to Jesus for dressing him as a Jesus. Oh, remember, Carlo Miguel Orencia, Jesus is protecting us. They even protect Rodrigo Duterte. They even protect, he even protect, oh, Ali Khamenei, Vladimir Putin, Xi Jinping, Fidel Castro, Hugo Chavez, and Nicolas Maduro. They protected them. This is hard to say, Carlo Miguel Orencia. Do not say about kill Jesus. You know, you need to show a little respect. If I were you, Carlo Miguel Orencia, make a public apology to Jesus. Not even too much saying about you want to kill Jesus, you want to kill everyone. You know, I'm not saying those words are full of negatives. Oh, you know what happened to me, Carlo Miguel Orencia, when I made fake account of Larry Chuanico. I attacked the church, the Catholic. Oh, when I was being expelled from CDIFI, I made a fake account of Gio Malana. They expelled me. I criticized the CDIFI. Abnormal. Oh. And all teachers and staff are abnormal. Oh. At least I didn't say that to Aterona and Teacher May. Oh. Remember that, Carlo Orencia. You should never be like Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Sejo, G. Macasandil. Don't even just like that. Even Paula Nunez. Oh, you know that the uncle of Paula Nunez was reprimanded by Paula. Oh, you didn't learn how to be reprimanded. Do even your parents didn't reprimand you? Carlo Miguel Orencia? If I were you, respect Jesus.